Good morning, guys. It is Monday morning. We've got 12 orders going out on eBay, so stay tuned to see what sold. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. We've got 12 orders going out today, so we're gonna pull those for you guys and get those shipped out. The first item up is a Vivitar security camera. It's in box 18. This sold for $35 with free shipping. Let's see if I can find it back in there. There it is. We sold one of these last week. Now we're selling one this week. And I'm pretty sure I got these on Black Friday, and they just kind of sat in a pile somewhere, and then I found them. I only paid like $5 to $9 for that. So pretty good sale there. $35 free shipping. We've got a lot of 7 science fiction books going out. They're in SF3, which is going to be all the way at the other end. We'll grab those here in a little bit. We sold a Rapid Ready Fork. BS2D4, it's right here in front of me actually. It's right here. This is new in package, and I believe we paid, it was probably $3 or so at a thrift store for that. It sold for $24.99 plus the buyer paid $5 in shipping, so a really nice pickup there. Shoes is up next. I always like selling shoes. Box 18, we were just there. This is a pair of Brooks. These sold for $19.99 plus shipping. And Brooks is a great brand to resell if you can find them. We paid $4 for these, and yeah, $20 and plus shipping. They're in really good condition. That's the key with shoes. You want to make sure they're in really good condition to get that dollar amount that you're looking for. We've got a probiotic, which is weird because I thought we got rid of all of these. And BS2A3. Nope, I guess we didn't. Right here, this is a mood and stress probiotic. It's expired, I believe, but it says that in the listing. Sold for $10 free shipping. It's super light. It's going to go out for about $3 for that item. We just had an offer come in. We'll look at that here in a second. We've got another book going out. This is a poster book. It's in box 11. This is going overseas internationally. This is sold for $16.95 plus the buyer paid shipping on it. I'm not gonna be able to get that out of it. It's down there in the bottom. We're gonna try and pull this out without dinging anything else up or the item itself, right? So there it is. That's what it looks like. Titanic poster book. I sold it as used, although all of the posters were there, and that's what I stated. Used, all the posters there. We'll put that into a big bubble mailer and send that to Kentucky, media mail, which is only going to cost a couple bucks, but the buyer paid for that, I believe. Oh, nope, $16.95 plus free shipping, so not a bad deal there. We sold a kitchen towel set. Where in the heck did I put those? Box 3. These are towels we just had lying around. I'm not sure where we got them, but we tried to sell them on Amazon, or we were going to sell them on Amazon. Something happened and we didn't. But that towel set sold for $14.99 plus free shipping. We'll just throw it into a poly bag and send it on its way. This is a really cool item. It's 2012 light up Lisa Frank organizer box. It's like it's right down there. You can see it. And this sold for $15 plus shipping, and it's like a little box, and it had like these little drawers in it right there, if you can see those. And the drawers, some of them had items in them. There's like little puzzles. So Lisa Frank sells. This sold a lot slower than I thought it was going to, but I only paid a couple bucks for it, so pretty good deal there. My wife found these. These are vintage milk glass bud vases, and these sold for $19 plus free shipping, and she listed it, and sometimes she's like me and doesn't get the item SKU in there, but they're right here in front of me. So these two, they sold for $19 plus free shipping. It's probably gonna cost us about $7 to ship them out, but those were 69 cents a piece. So $1.40 into that $20 order. Then we sold another Enigma CD, and this sold for $5.99, free shipping. These were new. I paid a dollar for them, and we will pack those up, and we'll send it on its way. It's going to cost about $2.80 to send that out, maybe $3 at the most, but it won't go over a pound, so it's going to be probably at the $2.80 in the media mail mark. Here's an item that sold from the Trash for Cash video. So I found a box of stuff on the side of the road that was free. Sorry about that camera work, guys. It's hard to carry those boxes down one-handed. And I don't even know if I grabbed the right box, to be honest with you, because this says box 2 and I don't see it in there. I think it's in box 3. I must have mistyped it in. But this is a remote control, and it came in the box along the side of the road that I found that was free, and there was a whole bunch of stuff in there, and it probably close to about $300 worth of stuff. This is the third item that's sold from that box. We sold a little memory card. We sold a dash cam, a used dash cam for $22. I'll add that in this video as well. It's on Facebook Marketplace. And then we sold this. I believe it's the Pioneer. Let me double check. Might have been the Sony that I grabbed. Nope, it's the Pioneer. So this sold for $16.20 plus free shipping. That will go into a BOLO mailer, and super fast, super easy, and free. So the dollar amount on that is awesome. So far we've made about $30, maybe $35 after fees, on our Trash for Cash stuff. So BS2G2 is Star Wars. This sold for $11 plus shipping. Down here it's a vinyl. It was smashed up. That's the only reason it didn't go into Amazon. And as you can see, it's all beat up on the sides there. So $11 buyer paid shipping. I think we paid $5 for that. And let me see what else. We're going to grab the books. I know that. Okay, we're going to grab those books. So let me make sure we got everything here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And we're going to grab the books that are SF3. And all this was, we got these books for free at the bookstore. They got donated in. And these are a lot of seven science fiction by R.A. Salvatore. And they're in SF3, which I don't even see. So I don't know where that box is. So I'm going to find them real quick. They sold for $10 plus the buyer paid shipping, and then I'll show them to you guys. Okay, guys. So we found the books right here. As you can see, they're not in the greatest condition. These are Forgotten Realms. That's why we only got $10 out of them for 7 of them. But the buyer paid shipping, and again, we had no cost in it, so not a bad deal there. So 12 orders going out on eBay, a lot of smaller items, a lot of easy items to ship, which is always a good way to start the week. We're going to do some listing today, and hopefully get some more stuff up. I think this week I'm going to make a video about putting items on sale or doing a sale. And we like to do the tiered sale, where if it's been in our inventory for a certain amount of time, it gets X percentage off, to see if we can drive some sales. So keep an eye out for that. Okay, so I found it. This is what it looks like here. It's going to be super easy to ship. We're going to put it in a bubble mailer and send it on its way. And that sold for $14.99 and free shipping. It's going to cost us $3 or $4 to ship that out. Sold another board game, and this was, oh, it's down here. Seven Wonders, very good game as well. And this sold for, this was bought through our wholesaler as well, and this sold for $39.99 with free shipping. It's going to cost us about $10 to ship that out. Sold another whiskey glass. Let me make sure they only got one. Looks like it. Let me double check here. Yep, looks like one whiskey glass going out. And it sold for $14.99 with free shipping, and shipping on these cost about $7. And these we bought wholesale as well in a big lot, so we paid less than $1 for those. So pretty good deal there. Looks like we have a lot of 3 temp tracks. Let's see where these are located at. BS2A5. BS2A5, which is here. But that doesn't... Oh, there they are. They were kind of hidden back there. These are expired temp tracks. We sold these on Amazon. They expired out, so when we put them on eBay, I just lotted them together. It's kind of cool. It's a little sticker that you can stick on skin, and then it tells you for 24 hours their temperature anytime you look at it on your app. $25 plus free shipping. We'll send that in a bubble mailer. Costs us about $3 to send. It's real light. Sold a Charmed CD, which if you guys are gonna, or a DVD, if you guys are gonna sell DVDs, you should always sell sets. Sets always sell for more. This is the complete 4th season, which is right here, and this set right here sold for $9.99 plus shipping. So, and it's used, so not a bad deal there. And then we've got one more DVD going out, it looks like. Yep, one more DVD to ship, and it's going to be down here. You guys have seen this if you watched any of the videos prior to this. It's a Grease 2 DVD. It's going to be a little harder to reach. We're trying to clean up this end. It's an H2, and this one is which one of these? It's the one that's more popular. We have 2 different ones, but these sell. We're selling about one of these a day right now, and those about once a month. Exact same movie, just a different format, I believe. So, and that sold for $4.25 plus free shipping. I'm glad to see these go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've got 8 orders for eBay here, and then I also know that Clank, the board game that we get from our wholesaler as well, this sold for $99 on Amazon, so we'll ship that out as well today. All right, that's everything going out today on Tuesday. Thanks so much for tuning in. Give the video a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel if you like what you're seeing, and we will talk to you guys soon. Stay safe.